Did you know that the changing weather can wreak havoc on your skin, causing dryness and chapped lips? Let's tackle that with a simple DIY solution. Welcome and welcome back, Sekhmet's children, my beautiful people, to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Today, we're going to combat that dry, crisp fall air with the DIY Fall Moisturizing Body Butter for dry skin and chapped lips. Whether it's your hands, body, or lips that need care, we have a solution using natural ingredients. Let's dive into the ingredients that will make up our body butter and lip butter combo, designed to fill 2 8-ounce containers and 2 1-ounce containers for your lips. Shea Butter is rich in vitamins A and E. Shea Butter deeply nourishes the skin, locking in moisture and providing relief from dryness. Mango Butter, lightweight yet deeply moisturizing. Mango butter is perfect for smoothing and softening your skin and lips without being too greasy. Coconut oil is known for its hydrating properties. Coconut oil helps to retain moisture and prevent flaking or chapping. Castor oil is a thick, viscous oil and is a wonderful barrier for dry skin and lips, sealing in moisture and offering relief from cracks or peeling. I'm using a dark virgin avocado oil. It is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids. Avocado oil helps regenerate skin and reduce inflammation, perfect for healing both dry skin and lips. It's time for the recipe and instructions. 1 cup of shea butter, equal to 227 grams according to Google. 1 cup of mango butter is equal to 150 grams, and I'm using a double boiler. A half a cup of coconut oil. According to Google, it's equal to 90 grams. A quarter cup of castor oil, according to Google, is 35 grams. 1/4 cup of avocado oil is equal to 35 grams according to Google. It's on medium heat, and once everything is melted, it will be going in the refrigerator for maybe 30 to 35 minutes. Now let's get into the benefits of the essential oils. Blue lotus is known for its calming properties. It helps soothe irritated skin. Vanilla adds a soft, sweet scent while also offering antioxidant benefits for the skin. Sandalwood helps moisturize and rejuvenate the skin while leaving a gentle woody aroma. You can use 10 drops each. I will be using more. Don't forget to check out the community tab for weekly affirmations, updates, and inspiration. It's ready to be whipped. Look how beautiful that is. This luxurious, nourishing blend will keep your skin hydrated and soft throughout the cooler months. and your lips silky smooth and chap-free. Use it as needed to beat that dry fall air. It's time to spoon the whipped body butter into the 2 8-ounce containers for your body and the 2 1-ounce containers for your lips. And we will be back after it is all done. It's finished. Let's test it out. It doesn't go on greasy, and it's very, very creamy. If you enjoyed this DIY Sekhmet's Children, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future creations. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Sekhmets Magickal Spiritual DIYs.